Hello and what's up YouTube? This trail of destruction you see is my brand new Rec Tec Stampede RT-590 grill and smoker. Pretty excited about this one. It arrived by truck freight and it weighed nearly 300 pounds. To be fair, that did include 80 pounds of pellets. But still, once fully assembled, this grill is still over 150 pounds, so pretty heavy duty unit. Quality construction, stainless steel. I think this one's gonna last for many years. So let's jump into the unboxing. So what you really notice here is the quality and pride that's taken in packing this grill. One of the best packing jobs I've probably ever seen. You know, these are not inexpensive, and it looks like Rec Tec really treats them that way. Another thing to mention too is I did have a chance to deal with customer service, and they definitely lived up to that top-notch reputation that they have. And this is the trail of destruction left after you unpack your Rec Tec RT-590. So here's all the parts laid out and ready for installation. As you can see, the grill comes pretty much assembled. All you need to do is put on the legs, the bottom shelf, the handles, the firebox cover, tray, and grill grates. Plug it in, put your pellets in, and you're ready to start smoking. So follow along. Time to put on the finishing touch, and let's take a look around this bad boy. This is a really cool looking unit. The octagon shape, the bullhorn handles, the Rec Tec logo embossed in the lid, all really give it a nice, solid, high quality appearance. So let's get ready and move this thing out into the back deck where it's going to live and fire it up. So here it is, fully assembled. We've got about 12 to 14 pounds of pellets loaded into the 15-pound hopper. Based on Rec Tec's recommendation, you add about a half a cup of pellets to the burner before starting. It'll allow it to have some fuel to burn until the auger can feed pellets from the hopper. So all we have to do now is plug it in, turn it on, and wait for that beautiful smoke. After an hour at 400 degrees, the smoker was seasoned and ready for the first cook. I got a little excited and put on some chicken breast, asparagus, Boston butt cut in half, and some shrimp skewers. If you're gonna start, why not start big, right? So in a second you're gonna see the results of the first cook. There's the chicken breasts, and the butt turned out really good. Really nice smoke ring, good flavor, much better than my old electric smoker ever did. Nice bark, really very happy with the results so far. I will be back in about 2 weeks with a review and some more cooks and let you know how the Rec Tec is doing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos.